Participatory budgeting. What's that? Let's break it down. Participatory means to take part in something. Budgeting is choosing to spend an amount of money on a particular purpose. So together, it means to take part in the allocation of money. It's a great way to the community to find out about local issues and to have a say on what is important to them. Local people, groups and organisations are invited to pitch a project proposal to apply for a share of the funds. A local event is often organised to give the community time to hear all the ideas and proposals and to ask questions. You may also be able to watch the project proposals online. The projects are then put into a vote on the Connect platform. You'll need to sign in, or if you're new, you'll need to register and complete your profile. Find the poll by filtering all activities by activity type. Read the descriptions for each option and choose where your vote should go. If the poll is a ranked shortlist, you can choose several options and drag and drop them into your preferred order. Click Cast Vote. The votes will be counted and the funds will be shared out amongst the winning projects. The community members, groups and organisations can now work to implement their ideas in their local area. The success of the process will be evaluated and you may be invited to share your feedback for next time. Participatory budgeting gives real people real power over real money. Find out more on your local Connect by visiting the homepage and /PB.